Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today, this is a very special unboxing. I'm cutting it into 3 parts because I've got 3 big items coming. 2 of them haven't arrived yet, of course. By the time you see this video, they will be. So this is unboxing number 1. So let me get over here and move this. Actually, let me just get this out of here, actually. There. Now, you'll be able to see without... Anyway, okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So, I posted on Instagram a little bit of a sneak peek on this. Those of you who know what it is, well, obviously you know what it is already, but I haven't told anybody else. I wrapped it in another package. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. Yep. The Detector smoke detector. Made by, well, rebranded by Heathkit. Model number 30-77L. So, that's alarm number 1. Alright, here's package number 2 of 3. This is another alarm. For this one, I'm on my desk instead of in the attic room. That's because we got a lot of stuff up there. But this is the second alarm that's come for my 3-part unboxing. And it's also in a plastic package, so... Oh, wait. To open tarot alarm. What does that even mean? Oh, wait. I still don't see it. Oh, wait. There. Alright, so it looks like we didn't wrap it in anything. Ugh. Oh, wait. No, that's not. Alright. So there it is, upside down. But you may be wondering, it's not in a box, so what is it? Are you in the frame? Yeah. Alright, ready? Wow. Look at that. A brand new, never opened before Honeywell TC89B. Now, you know I have one of them. In fact, I have it... Where is it? Right here. But this one is brand new in package, and the one thing I was curious about is what kind of horn does this one have? Looks like... Oh, yes, it does. Ah, it does. It has the Edwards horn. Ah, I was hoping it would. Okay, great. So, it is already open, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I'm actually kind of sad. Alright. Okay, open it up. So, stuck to the sides, and close that back up. Of course, it came with the manual and the battery and everything. I'll keep the battery in there. Oh, it's a little different on top. Okay. Let's see. This one's, of course, not yellow. Let's open it up. Okay. Ooh. Oh, the paper's way different. Okay. The test button's different as well. It's got the Edwards horn. Yes, I was really hoping this one would have that, and I'm so happy. This one is TC89B 1018. Oh, and it does have the label as well. Okay, that one label that was missing on this one. Okay, So there will be a testing video of this one coming soon, as well as the other two. Alright, and here's unboxing 3 of 3. This is my 3rd surprise alarm. Just got here just a couple of minutes ago, and it's been sitting outside. I didn't see it, so it was on the brick planner, so hopefully it won't do anything. Get off the computer. Sorry, my cat was standing on the computer. Okay, let's see. I may need to get something to open up the tape with. Okay. There. Just going to use my pocket knife. Ooh, this thing is sharp. No, get off the computer. Silly cat. And right now I'm going to have to let you out. Go. Alright. And oh look, they put it in another box. And sure enough, Sunbeam Centurion. However, look, there's 2. Yep, this was a lot of 2 detectors that I was able to get. So, let's go ahead and put that to the side. And open up the, looks like they just wrapped it in saran wrap. Oh my goodness, I can't. Okay. You in the frame? Yep. Alright. Sounds like the recycling people are finally here. Okay. So, let's take the camera. Let's open up alarm number 1. How do I open this? Oh, right here. Come on. And it looks like it's upside down, and that's okay. Broken off there. Wow. Wow, it's a pretty big one. Oh my god, that's it's really big. Okay. Now how does it come out? Is it taped? No, it just comes right out of the little cardboard holder. Okay, so that's Sunbeam number 1. Put that one. And open up Sunbeam number 2, and this one's also broken, or the box has come off. Oh, the mounting bracket came off of this one. And there it is, Sunbeam number 2. These are really big. They're not like really thick, but they're huge. But compared to my hand, they're very big. So, I'll be having a testing video of all 3 of the detectors. Let me once again go over and get them. Just put these here. We've got, just hold on a second. Alright, there they are. My 3 separate unboxings. I've got the Pyrotector 30-77R, or 30-77L, the Honeywell TC89B 1018, and the 2 Sunbeam Centurion model 45-2A. Testing videos will be coming soon, so thank you for watching, and